Hey everyone, it's just me and my son Steve. Since I'm not doing too good today, he's cooking. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
So, let everybody know what you're making with the chicken.
Scallops, potatoes, and I'm gonna be making salad in a minute as soon as I put this in the
Okay.
oven.
So, in the sauce is
Ranch, which is a garlic.
garlic ranch from Aldi. It's one of the salad dressing dips that I get.
Also horseradish,
Beaver horseradish right there. It's
Yep.
from Oregon, and this
honey
is
pineapple mustard,
and the honey pineapple mustard is from Hickory Farm. So
with some garlic powder and some pepper on it.
yeah, so this is gonna be pretty good. And I gotta go sit down. So, what heat do you have the oven on?
375.
Okay. And then he's gonna put this back in there.
The chicken's pretty much well done. I'm just adding the sauce, like flavor to it.
And there you go. That's gonna go in. The potatoes are going to go in. And we'll let you know after a while how it tastes. So Rob is in the kitchen helping Steve finish dinner. This should be good. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. So we're just waiting for Steve to come back out with his plate. This looks delicious. And y'all better thank my son for helping, because he does that really good. So anyway, I put a little bit of that garlic ranch on mine. We're gonna taste that chicken. Oh, you can smell it, can't you? That's good. Got some good flavor right there. So we do concoctions sometimes, and Rob's like, oh, I can't leave you two alone for 2 minutes, and then it tastes good, doesn't it, Rob?
It does, but it eats into the profits.
Anyway,
Because we mix that ranch, the horseradish, some of that
honey, pineapple honey mustard together. That's what made the sauce for the chicken.
That's like 3 meals, man.
So this is really delicious. Like I said, tell Steve thank you kindly in the comments for helping out when I'm not doing too good. So anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. If it says cooking with Steve, it's because it's cooking with Steve. Anyway, bye. I shouldn't have laughed that fun.